Hello and welcome back to Oxford Jewels, where I'm your host as well as your narrator, Crayola Coaster, and today is a special day. Today we will be exploring 1, 2, 3 Sesame Street Shapes, Colors, and More flashcards. So if you do not have your own set of flashcards, just follow the video and enjoy.
Okay.
An introduction to new words. The cards in this deck introduce the concepts of colors, shapes, and opposites to young children. New words can be added into everyday activities for practice and language development. For example, you might ask your child, can you find the toy car that is green?
Green.
Searching for shapes. Shape scavenger hunt. Sending your child to find something in the house that has a given shape. Example, find a circle. They may bring you a ball. So, here we are to the cards, and let's start. First,
Light, camera, action.
red triangle,
Red.
green triangle,
Green.
blue triangle,
Blue.
orange triangle,
Orange.
yellow circle,
Yellow.
purple circle,
Purple.
pink circle,
Pink.
white circle,
White.
red rhombus,
Red.
black rhombus,
Black.
blue rhombus,
Blue.
orange rhombus,
Orange.
green oval,
Green.
gray oval,
Gray.
yellow oval,
Yellow.
red oval,
Red.
blue rectangle,
Blue.
purple rectangle,
Purple.
pink rectangle,
Pink.
orange rectangle,
Orange.
black hexagon,
Black.
white hexagon,
White.
yellow hexagon,
Yellow.
red hexagon,
Red.
green pentagon,
Green.
purple pentagon,
Purple.
blue pentagon,
Blue.
orange pentagon,
Orange.
gray octagon,
Gray.
yellow octagon,
Yellow.
red octagon,
Red.
green octagon,
Green.
blue square,
Blue.
pink square,
Pink.
white square,
White.
black square,
Black.
circle, rectangle, triangle, octagon, oval, circle, rhombus, hexagon, pentagon, square, awake, asleep, top, bottom, full, empty, big,
Wow.
small, wet, dry, far, near, same, different, pull, push, open, close, day, night, in, out. Ready for more? Take a color tool. Encourage your child to choose a color card. Together, hunt around the house for an object with that color. Place the card next to the object and continue until all of the colors are found. Act out the opposites. Show your child an opposite card. Ask them to act out the opposite of what was shown. Encourage them to use actions, sounds, and words to show the opposite. If your child has enjoyed learning about shapes, colors, and more with this deck of flashcards, look for these other educational products brought to you by Sesame Workshop and Kappa Books publishers. Letter sounds workbook and flashcards, numbers workbook, colors workbook, numbers flashcards, alphabet workbook and flashcards. Keep learning. Describe the shape. Using the flashcards, have your child describe each shape and encourage them to give examples of real objects with that shape. Example: circles are round like a ball, or rectangles have 4 sides like a door. Help them find the similarities and differences from one shape to another. Color mix-ups. Select a color card and think about familiar items that are that color. Make silly mistakes by naming something that is the wrong color. Example: the sky is green or the sun is purple. Let your child catch your mistake and ask them to find the card that shows the correct color. So, that was all of the cards. We have explored every single card from the 123 Sesame Street Shapes, Colors, and More flashcards. So please, and until next time, always and forever, keep reading, keep exploring, keep expanding your mind. Thank you. Bye.